Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have something to share with you guys that again is something new to me, maybe not new to other people, but I learned this from IG.KonaBlue. Yes, she goes by Blue on Instagram, very known for her natural, absolutely beautiful long nails. Look at it. Okay, so what she does, what I'm going to share with you guys, is she hates acetone, and who doesn't? You know, you just, well, you got to do with what you got to do. But if there was an alternative, other that something that worked just as good, other than nail polish remover, because who knows who wants to put up with all that scrubbing and scrubbing? I don't. I have been using Pure 100 acetone on my nails for removal, cleaning, and etc. But so yeah, and as far as easy removal when it comes to a temporary base, we know about latex, and then there's a lot of other easy peel or peel off or temporary bases out there, whether they're latex or not. My favorite up to this point has been latex. I've been using any kind of latex, you know, whether mostly for gels, so that I can just peel off my gels and designs and move on to other things. So something that she does different, she doesn't use latex. She uses Burt's Bees cuticle cream as a barrier on her nails. She applies this to her natural nails. She uses a brush, and I started using a brush myself too. Well, guess you don't have to use your brush. You can use your fingers. But yeah, she applies this to her natural, totally bare nail. Then on top of this, she applies the clear base, whatever her favorite clear base is. I have been using either my yellow stopper on top of this, or my Rejuva on top of this. And so I want to show you guys, yeah, we are familiar with this beautiful, I mean very nice cream, cuticle cream. Very, it's a good cream for cuticles, very healthy, very natural, and it smells good. So I'm gonna go ahead, what I have here, as you noticed on my previous video, if you notice my nails were dull prior to applying this gel, was because this is what I had on. And because this is gel, I did not apply the yellow stopper or the Rejuva on top of, I have already applied this cream. I've been using the Rejuva and the yellow stopper if I used it with regular polish. So I hope that makes sense. And also I did not, so since I already had I've had my natural nails with Rejuva, I went ahead and applied this on top of the Rejuva that I had already been wearing at least overnight. Then I went right on top of it with this gel mani. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it off here. This is the first time I attempt to peel off after using this with a gel polish. The first time I tried it was using regular polish, and I will have that clip for you guys, so I will show you. So let's go for this and see. I'm going to start with my pinky, and I want to see if it will keep my Rejuva underneath. Oh, look how easy that came off. Wow, it just popped right off. And I see my nail is dull. I have to wipe it with alcohol. I cannot tell if this is the cream or if it just peeled off my Rejuva that was underneath, but it doesn't appear so. I have a little bit of a gel on the edge. Let's see this one. Now this one, to give it that natural look, so I'm noticing this was the color ones, you know, there are multiple layers here because I did 2 of the color, and then obviously the top coat, I think I did 2 coats on that. So this one is thinner. This is a thinner layer because to keep that quote-unquote natural or underneath, I went with top coat. So let's see. Just keep peeling away here. Okay, so I know it's cracking, but that's okay. Like I said, it's thinner. It's a thinner layer. It's not thick. So the thicker the layers, the easier it is to peel off in possibly one piece. And I see where this is attempt. So this one is pulling my Rejuva, but that's okay. And this is not your typical design, right? When you put color, you normally do a few layers. You don't go straight on a bare nail. Or possibly if you do, maybe I could have done multiple layers of the top coat to make it a little thicker. Okay, so that peeled right off, pretty easy. Let's see this one, I should remove that first. Yeah, see how easy this is coming off on the parts that it's the thickest. And so I'm liking using this instead of latex, guys, because this is cheaper. It lasts longer. You're going to see how much or how little I actually apply on my nail. I will demonstrate for you how I put it on. And this, because a lot of my friends know that I do nails, I get a lot of gifts. I get it as a gift a lot. So I have quite a few pots. Oh, look, see, look at this one, how easy that one peeled off. Let me try, I'm going to go with these two. Yeah, I might still have to use acetone on these two because it really sucks. But look at these guys. So the two where I had the clear first, you know, it was a very thin layer. It peeled off my Rejuva-Coat, I think. Yes, that's my Rejuva-Coat. It peeled it off. So obviously, I will have to take this off with acetone. Now, ideally, so I asked her if it would work with gel. I told her, well, I'll go ahead and try it myself. But I'm not sure if she uses gels. Maybe she just sticks to regular polish. Because if you just use regular polish, you just put this straight on your nail, your totally bare nail without any Rejuva-Coat. Again, if your goal is like her, not to have to use any acetone, so this is what she does. She applies the Burt's Bees. Then she applies a clear base, then her polish, and she just peels the polish off. She doesn't have to use acetone for removal. I am loving it as an easy peel. I don't mind the acetone so much. I don't hate it. You know, I don't mind it. And so this looks like it will be minimal. Okay guys, so I brought you up close so you can see here. I went ahead and removed what was left of my clear base on my nails. I went ahead and used acetone. And if you notice here, there's a difference between this is the natural nail and this is my Rejuva-Coat still intact on these two fingernails right here. I went ahead and wiped them with alcohol to make sure there was no cuticle cream left over, and there's not, but it seemed to still, it's not, you know, it's not as shiny as like it would normally be. It just made it dull, but it's still there. And if you want to, I mean, if I want to remove that with acetone, I could, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that and just reapply a new coat. So that is it, you guys. Now, as far as how long a manicure with this as a base will last, well, you know, she said probably no more than a couple of days. I think she wears hers for a couple of days. I didn't wear any of these, neither the gel or the regular polish, overnight at all. I removed them in the same day. So I do not look at this as for, you know, if it lasts 1 or 2 nights, great. that's a good surprise. But I like it again for an easy peel, so that I can move on to other things, you know, the swatches or what have you. So give this a try. Oh, let me show you really quick. So basically, you know, just, you can use your fingers, but I saw her using her brush, and this one doesn't have it. Well, I'm going to go back with the Rejuva-Coat on that. So if you just want to apply it over your nail, you see it makes your nail, so you see you can tell it's there because they're dull. Makes them dull, but it's not like, and you can see, I mean, look what I'm doing. You can, how much of the product am I using? Nothing, practically nothing. So you can imagine, if this is the only thing you use this little tin can for, how long will this last you versus what, a 10 ml bottle of, if that, of latex. So anyway, I wanted to just share that really quick with you guys. I hope you guys like this. Let me, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Check out ig.Kona Blue on Instagram. She is awesome. Absolutely beautiful nails, and she does share some care on her natural nails, care ideas. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.